everyone. So today I was going to share some healthy kitchen tips with you. One thing I wanted to talk about were the type of oil that we cook with. So we have olive oil and cold pressed avocado oil. And then we also have some spray options. So Pam, not my favorite brand, but the husband went shopping and I'm impressed because in the ingredients there is no soy. Typically with these spray kinds, they usually has some sort of a binder and it's typically soybean. So if anyone has a sensitivity to soy, you want to watch out for the ingredients. This one I got from, this is a white truffle extra virgin olive oil. I got this from TJ Maxx, don't make fun of me. Great product. It's literally just extra virgin olive oil and some white truffle essence is what they say. So how I use these with the avocado oil, that's the main oil that we cook with. So that could be if you're sauteing things or if you're roasting something in the oven. The reason we have olive oil is more in a raw form. So if we're making dressings or maybe I'm drizzling it on cooked quinoa or cooked rice, or drizzling it after you bake something just to give it a little bit extra flavor. So oils do have smoke points, and that means the temperature at which they can be cooked. And if you go above a certain smoke point, it does become a rancid oil, which can be cancer causing, so not fun. Coconut oil, avocado oil are safe at higher temperatures. You can probably get a list, or maybe I'll post one, of the smoke points for different cooking oils. I hope this was helpful.